Alright, we are at the self-service car wash. Got my soapy bucket right here. I just did the bottom portion of my vehicle. Now it's time to show you what the chemical guys, Wheelie, Soft, all exterior surface and wheel brush does on the 2013 Lexus ES350 factory rims. Let's go ahead and get started. So I've already sprayed my rims down. I'm going to dip my brush in the bucket. Let's go take it, get to work. It's nice, soft, so it gets in all these little creases right here, so you don't have to take your hands in the rag and go in there, because that start hurting your hands after a while, trust me. Get your brush. You can get up in there in the lug nut area too. Oh man, I should have been got this right here. Oh, look at that right there. Looking at some brake dust that was right here in that little crease right there. They got all of it up out of there. So this wheel get up in that surface, get all that brake dust from in there. Oh yeah. Oh man, if you are big on detailing your vehicle and keeping it clean, you have to get you one of these brushes right here, I'm telling you. This really makes it so much more easier. Easy on your hands. Ooh, look at that right there. I don't need to show you on all four wheels. I think that's a little bit unnecessary. What I will do is I'll go ahead and do all the wheels, spray it off so you can see what it look like once it's clean and been sprayed off. Alright, so the entire vehicle has been cleaned, rinsed off. Let's see the final results of the chemical guys Wheelie tire brush. I don't know what that is right there, but this is the results right here. Look pretty good to me. Gets the job done, and you don't have to stick your hands in there trying to clean it with a microfiber. Up in the lug nuts got clean for the most part. I think we got us a winner right here. I should have been got me one of these right here, but I'm glad I got it now. Worked out pretty damn good. Let's go ahead and head to the house and prepare to finish up what we got to do with the 2013 Lexus ES350.